Most important completing story for HSC 2026. Once upon a time, there lived a king in England. He had 3 daughters. One day, a crow stole a piece of meat. She flew away and sat on. There was a naughty cowboy who gazed at his cows beside a forest. He used to make fun. Once an ant was very thirsty. He went to a river to drink water. When he began to drink, once a lion was sleeping in a forest. Suddenly a mouse came there. It did not notice the lion. Once there lived a woodcutter. He was very poor but honest. He lived on the bank of a river. There lived a happy cobbler who passed his days working and singing. Once a golden necklace was lost from a rich man's house. A few servants worked. Imaginative story. Honesty of a boy. Bravery of a boy. Reward of honesty.